Next, we will cover isotherm. Click Close Isotherm. 5 types of isotherms are available: lower isotherm, upper isotherm, range in isotherm, range out isotherm, disable isotherm. For example, range in isotherm. Adjust the color of the range in isotherm here. Click the color block and select green. Adjust the high and low values for the isotherm. Set lower limit to 27 degrees Celsius and upper limit to 31 degrees C. Click Confirm. The temperature range 27 to 31 degrees Celsius is highlighted in green. The average temperature within the range is displayed 28.6 degrees Celsius. The highlighted area occupies 35.11% of the entire image. Settings for other isotherm types follow a similar workflow. Select Disable Isotherm and click Confirm to turn off the feature. Calculates the temperature difference between selected analysis objects. Click Temperature Difference. Click New Addition. To create a new comparison group, supports multiple groups. Choose the analysis objects to compare. Specify the value type. Click Confirm to generate the temperature difference data table. Displays temperature differences between compared objects. In the graph, object R1 has a maximum temperature of 32.8 degrees C. Object C1 has a minimum temperature of 23.9 degrees C. The temperature difference value is 7.8 degrees Celsius. Functions like shutter calibration, autofocus, near focus, far focus, and stream mode configuration are part of the real-time video analysis module. Detailed instructions will be provided in the real-time video analysis section. Take photo. Timed photographing off. Start recording. Settings. Start recording is part of the real-time video analysis module. Take photo means save the current video frame as an image. Click Take Photo to save the current frame. Click Settings to configure capture storage path and recording storage path. It supports IRGD and MP4. Select Open Folder after finishing. Enable this option. Click Confirm. Click Take Photo again. It will automatically open the storage folder post-capture. Go to the Settings page. Timed photographing off. Timed photo offers 2 modes: automatic capture and fixed frame capture. Fixed frame capture. Set start time, end time, and interval. Customize the file prefix. Automatic capture. Set interval and number of snapshots. Customize the file prefix. Demo workflow. Set interval to 3. Change number of captures to 2. Click Confirm. Click Timed photographing off. A prompt, Timed capture completed, appears when finished. Click Confirm. Images are saved to the specified path.